Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Steps to resolve the issue: go to Window, Preferences, Java, Installed JRS greater than and check your installed JREs. Now select the entry, click on Edit and then change the path from JRE to JDK. Once you have changed the installed JRE entry to JDK, click on Apply and Close.
Let's help you make your mark.
You might have either JRE, Java Runtime Environment, which is required to run Java applications on the computer, or JDK as shown below. 1. Open command prompt and enter Java version, if installed version number is displayed.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To set Java_home, do the following. Right-click My Computer and select Properties. On the Advanced tab, select Environment Variables, and then edit Java_home to point to where the JDK software is located. For example, C Program Files, Java, JDK1. 6.0_02.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Java version in Windows Programs. Click the Start button. Scroll through the applications and programs listed until you see the Java folder. Click on the Java folder, then About Java to see the Java version.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.